Spring is a great time for house painting because you need warm weather to apply paint, but it's not hot enough yet to make it miserable. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about a simple trick to simplify paint projects right after this. Black and green stuff growing on your roof or siding? Pick up Wet & Forget's new rapid application hose end. Now Wet & Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner is even easier with a brand new nozzle that attaches to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet. Wet & Forget hose end quickly and easily treats surfaces you normally couldn't reach without climbing up the ladder. Each bottle cleans up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. Visit wetandforget.com to find a retailer near you. One of the biggest hassles with painting is working around those crusty bits of paint that inevitably wind up inside the paint can after you use it a time or two. To avoid them, try this. When you buy a new gallon of paint, clean the inside of the lid to remove the paint from having the can shaken at the store. After that, always stir the paint instead of shaking it. This keeps paint from drying on the inside of the lid where there's air on the top of the can. Before you seal the paint, lay a plastic shopping bag over the can before tapping down the lid. This way, if any paint collects around the rim, you can toss it out with the plastic bag the next time you open the can. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.